In a world driven by progress, where innovation knows no bounds, a revolution is underway. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has emerged as the beacon of humanity's future. Join us on a captivating journey as we explore the profound impact of AI on our lives and the limitless potential it holds. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative force reshaping the world as we know it. At the forefront of this revolution, brilliant minds are harnessing the power of AI to solve complex problems, revolutionize industries, and unlock extraordinary possibilities. AI empowers us to push the boundaries of knowledge and tackle challenges that were once thought insurmountable. Whether it's diagnosing diseases, predicting climate patterns, or even exploring distant galaxies, AI is amplifying our capabilities, enabling us to achieve remarkable feats. Across sectors, from healthcare to transportation, from education to finance, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights has unlocked breakthroughs in personalized medicine, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and more. AI is redefining education, making it accessible and personalized for every learner. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt to individual needs, providing tailored learning experiences. With AI-powered platforms, education transcends boundaries, reaching remote areas and underserved communities. As we embrace the immense potential of AI, we must also address the ethical implications. Responsible AI development requires a thoughtful approach, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. It's essential to avoid bias, protect privacy, and ensure AI serves the best interests of humanity. The rise of AI has sparked concerns about job displacement. However, history has shown that with every technological revolution, new opportunities arise. AI has the potential to eliminate mundane tasks, freeing up human creativity and innovation. It empowers us to focus on tasks that require emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and empathy. AI has become an indispensable tool for businesses, enabling them to streamline operations, optimize decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. It's not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting our abilities and driving us toward a more prosperous future. With the planet facing unprecedented challenges, AI offers hope for a sustainable future. From precision agriculture to wildlife conservation, AI is helping us protect our fragile ecosystems. By analyzing data and modeling complex scenarios, we can make informed decisions to mitigate climate change and preserve biodiversity. AI is a game changer in understanding and combating climate change. Its predictive models enable us to anticipate extreme weather events, optimize renewable energy deployment, and develop more efficient resource management strategies. AI equips us with the tools to safeguard our planet for generations to come. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the future of humanity lies intertwined with the potential of AI. It is up to us to shape this future, ensuring that AI remains a force for good, driving progress while respecting our values and ethics. Let us embrace this incredible journey, where human ingenuity converges with AI's vast potential. Together, we can build a future where AI serves as the catalyst for human advancement, empowering us to achieve greatness and creating a world that is smarter, fairer, and more compassionate. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this fascinating field. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.